60, so I already have 60 chains, right, foundation chains, and I'm going to connect it together like this. So we're going to connect it using a slip stitch, right? Just pull all through. Okay, and then I'm gonna make a single crochet here, the first stitch, right? And then make another single crochet over here, or you can just use the normal chain 2 for the for the first row. You can use the normal chain 2 for the first row. So this is going to be considered as the first double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet in each stitches, 1 double crochet in each stitch, right, until you finish the first row. Alright, kita dah siap row number 1. I already finished with row number 1. Alright, I already counted the stitch. Okay, I have a total of 59 stitches for the first row, and then make a slip stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch here. Alright, okay, and also using this yarn tail, hide it, or just I'm gonna pull it here to make it tight. Okay, for the second row, at the first stitch here, make a single crochet. You can also make the chain 2, but I want to make it like this. Okay, you can also make the typical chain 2 for the first double crochet, but I want to do it like this. Right, and make another one single crochet over here. Right, also this is going to be counted as the first double crochet. So in the next one, make 1 double crochet. So make 1 double crochet in each stitches until the end of row 2, and make sure that you have a total of the total of 59 double crochet, and continue the same step until you got 6 rows. Okay, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. Slip stitch. the last one, right? And then I'm gonna close this row with a slip stitch, right? Okay, so this is the sixth row. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Height at the yarn tail, right?